In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Zendesk API, a tool that's essential for any business looking to enhance its customer support capabilities. Using Zendesk's robust API allows you to integrate a wide array of features into your own applications, automate tasks, and improve overall efficiency. Whether you're just getting started or looking to harness more advanced features, this guide is your go-to resource. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Once you're in, navigate to your Admin Center. This is your headquarters for managing various facets of your Zendesk account. Look around and get familiar with this interface. It's where all the magic begins when you're setting up or managing custom features. Next, locate the Apps and Integrations option within the Admin Center. This is your gateway to everything you can integrate with your Zendesk environment, so keep this place bookmarked. By clicking on this option, you're taking your first step toward unlocking the true potential of Zendesk through external applications and services. Then you'll want to click on API tokens. Think of these tokens as your secret keys that can unlock doors to integrating services. Each API token acts like a password, allowing your applications to interact safely and securely with the Zendesk application. Now, when you're on the API tokens page, you'll need to create a new token. This crucial step begins with giving your token a memorable name. Choose something that will help you easily identify its purpose later on. Once you've done that, the system will generate the token for you. Make sure to copy this token right away and store it safely. You'll need it to integrate and perform various actions using the API. Remember, this token is sensitive information. Treat it with care like a password and don't share it unnecessarily. Before clicking Next, verify that you've securely saved that token, as you won't be able to see it again once you close the window. Finally, click Next and you're all set up. With your API token in hand, you can now start integrating Zendesk's powerful functionalities into your own applications. This setup will empower you to automate tasks, create custom workflows, and integrate external services that can enhance your customer support system tremendously. To wrap it all up, using Zendesk API is an excellent way to streamline operations and provide better service to your customers. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to harnessing the full power of Zendesk to fit your business needs. Whether you're enhancing your support operations or integrating complex applications, these tokens and the understanding you've gained today are fundamental. Remember, always keep your token information secure and get ready to explore the endless possibilities that come with integrating Zendesk API.